तो बहुत दिनों के बाद मैम हम फिर आए हैं आपके पास। आई नो कि आप एडमिशन प्रोसेस में बहुत ज़्यादा बिजी थे, पर जैसे कि अब फर्स्ट क्लास लोगों की शुरू हो गई है, मतलब क्लासेस बच्चों की शुरू हो गई है, पर अभी भी एडमिशन का प्रोसेस चालू है। तो आज हम उसी पे बात करेंगे कि ये कैसे होगा और आगे क्या क्या बच्चों के लिए बेनिफिट भी बचे हैं।
Yes, classes have started from 29th August, and most of the students who took admission have visited their colleges, orientations have happened, and now they know what course they are studying and what type of peer group they are getting and what type of college that is where they are going to go and spend rest of their college life. Yes.
तुम जैसे कि आपने कहा कि क्लासेस चालू हो गई हैं, पर कुछ बच्चे शायद जिनको मज़ा नहीं आया, कि शायद क्लास पसंद आई हो या कॉलेज पसंद आया हो, तब वो बच्चे क्या कर सकते हैं?
Right, for those students who still want to change and they are not happy with their college or course, maybe university has opened the portal again for upgrade, which is valid for today and tomorrow. So till tomorrow, if they press the upgrade button, if they again log in the portal and press the upgrade button, then their application will be reconsidered. If they are not allocated any seat, it's fine, they continue with the same college. But if they are allocated any seat, then they will be automatically admitted in that college and that program. There, this allotment becomes invalid. But yes, you still have a chance. If you still feel that you want to change the college which already you have got it, then you still have a chance. Till tomorrow, you can press upgrade.
चलिए मैम, ये तो बात हो गई उन बच्चों की जो क्लासेस तक पहुंच गए, पर शायद कुछ बच्चे ऐसे हैं जो छोटी छोटी गलतियों की वजह से रिजेक्ट हो गए या यूनिवर्सिटी ने उनको रिजेक्ट कर दिया, तो अब उन बच्चों के लिए कोई सेकंड चांस है?
For those students who got rejected because of some mistake in their application, or I just observed that many students were saying that we are about to get our certificate, just give us 10 hours, 20 hours and it will come. But the affidavit, we were not allowed to admit the students on the basis of undertaking. So for those students, there is a second chance. Also for those students who did not apply, who missed the last date, and also for those students who did silly mistakes like they did not accept their seat which was allocated to them in the first round or second round. So all these students who have missed this opportunity, university is giving them the second opportunity, that is mid-entry. In mid-entry, you can apply again, pay the fees of 1000 rupees, and then your application will be considered for the third round. So you still have a chance to apply, and probably the 7th September is the last date for that application. So don't miss that this time, because it's not always a second chance. You get second chance by luck.
तो मैम कुछ बच्चे ऐसे हैं जो अभी भी कॉलेज जाने का इंतजार कर रहे हैं, वो उन सेगमेंट में से है जो कल्चरल स्पोर्ट्स, उनका रिजल्ट कब आएगा या कब होगा उनका?
Yes, the students are very excited for taking admission, and there is a whole bunch of students who want to take admission on the basis of ECA or maybe sports. And for those students, the auditions and tests are already over, and their first list will be announced very soon. Probably this Tuesday, they will get to know that which colleges they have been allocated. So no more waiting time. You will know your allocations probably by this Tuesday. Okay.
अब मेरा अगला सवाल ये है कि जैसे एक जनरल कैटेगरी का बच्चा है, उसने अपने एडमिशन पहले ही फ्रीज कर दिया, पर अब उसका ना ECA में भी हो गया, तो अब उसका एडमिशन कैसे होगा? कंसीडर किस साइड होगा?
So I think what you are asking is, a lot of students are asking this, that they got admission in first and second round, and they have already freezed that seat. So if they have freezed that seat, will their application be considered for ECA or sports or supernumerary quota, where the admission allotment is yet to happen? So for all those students, what I am telling you here is that if you have freezed, even then you have an option to accept that allotment. Right? So, and that allotment also is according to the preference list which you have made. So this is for you to decide if your allotment this time is a higher preference based on your EC or supernumerary quota. You can always opt for that option, and that will be adjusted, the earlier allotment to you. What does that mean? That the fees which you will pay now will adjust your previous fees, and whatever is balance, if it is more, this time you have to pay the balance, and if it is less, then you will be refunded the balance amount. But you can always accept your allotment this time, even though you have freezed your previous allotment.
तो मैम मेरा एक जनरल क्वेश्चन है कि जैसे ईसीए वाले जो बच्चे हैं वो फर्स्ट टाइम में फ्रीज हो जाएंगे या फिर वो उनको अपग्रेड का ऑप्शन भी मिलेगा?
Because this ECA and sports or these performance based admissions, because they include trials, so their result have come a bit late, and by that time many students have already grabbed their seats at other places. So what happens is that a lot of students, and some of the students get placed at at different positions, so because of that you again will have an upgrade option there. In performance based, again you will have a second round of admission probably after 5-6 days. So you try to take your offer, whatever you have in the first round of these admissions. But if you feel that you still can get better chance, you can always upgrade it and wait for the second round of allotment. Probably what I observed is that second round of allotment of ECA admissions and the third round of university which is coming will be the at the same interval probably. So don't miss your chance. If you have chance of getting better preference of yours, you can always upgrade in ECA also, and that it seems it's merged with the third round, meaning the time frame is just the same, probably the dates are same for third round and the second round of ECA admissions.
तो मैम एक क्वेश्चन है जो बहुत सारे बच्चे बार बार पूछते हैं कि उन्होंने पहले तो अपग्रेड कर दिया बट उनको बाद में समझ आया कि उनका जो पहले वाला ऑप्शन था वो ज़्यादा उनके लिए बेटर था, तो वो बैक ऑफ कर सकते हैं उसमें या नहीं?
See, many students, I understand, even in the comment section, I see students asking that I liked my prior allotment more than this one. Can I go back? There's no chance, no go back in this. You have to let go whatever has happened in the previous. If you upgrade, then you are bound to accept whatever has been allotted to you in the upgrade. And now this time it is auto freezing, meaning it is not asking you to freeze or not or accept or not. It is by default it is getting accepted. So you have to pay the fees of the new college. If you don't pay the fees, remember your previous allotment will also go and new allotment will also not work. So if you are getting a seat allotment in upgrade, you must pay the fees. Then only this upgrade is valid. Otherwise you are nowhere. So if you have pressed upgrade, make sure that you cannot go back, and also you are bound to accept the new allotment and pay the balance fees. Then only this new admission or new seat of yours will be valid. So because we've been discussing this for a while, that to upgrade you must have to think twice. Think several times before you press upgrade. But if you have decided for upgrade, you should not think, meaning you should move on with that I have taken this decision, I cannot go back. Is it alright?
मैम एक क्वेश्चन और है कि जैसे किसी बच्चे ने अपग्रेड कर दिया उसके पास्ट कॉलेज या प्रीवियस कॉलेज से, बट वो फीस पे कर चुका है, तो और अब नई जगह वो जाएगा तो क्या होगा? उसको अपनी फीस दोबारा भरनी पड़ेगी या रिफंड होगा, क्या होगा उसका?
So the CSAS portal is very automated. If you have previously paid the fees, it will automatically receive that fees and check with the new admission fees, and it will adjust, meaning if you have a refund, it will repay your whatever is the balance. But if you have to pay extra, it will ask you to pay only that much of amount of your new allotment. So the fees is adjusted. It's not that the previous fees is not taken into consideration. That fees will be adjusted.
तो थैंक यू सो मच मैम, आज आपने फिर से हमें इतना टाइम दिया। बस आज के लिए इतना ही करते हैं, बट अब मुझे लग रहा है कि ये एडमिशन सीज़न ख़त्म हो रहा है, पर बस ये इतना ही नहीं है, हम सीज़न 2 लाएंगे और उसमें मैं आपको बताऊंगा और मैम आपको बताएंगे कि आप दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ के कैसे ग्लोबल यूनिवर्सिटी तक जा सकते हैं, कैसे अपने करियर को आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं। और ग्लोबली का मतलब बस ये फ्रांस और यहाँ तक लिमिटेड नहीं है, इंडिया, अमेरिका, यूएसए, आप कहीं भी जा सकते हैं। So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you so much.